Today, I'll be showing you how to make THC nasal spray. All you need is terpenes, THC distillate, and any nasal spray you prefer. First off, I have 3 grams of distillate in a glass container. Then I add 30 mLs of the Nasal oil. Then add 0.3 mLs of nerolidol. The nerolidol is what's going to help your body absorb the THC. Without it, the spray should still work, but will not be as effective. Seal the container. I added a weight to hold down the container so that the magnetic spinner wouldn't move the container around on the hot plate. Heat at around 150 degrees Fahrenheit till the distillate is fully dissolved. Now you're ready to fill your nasal spray bottles. I fill the bottles about halfway, but you can fill them whatever amount you're comfortable with. As always, you can find links to all the products used in this video, including a nasal spray, in the links below. Doesn't really feel like anything. Just squirt in the nose. Now I start to smell the nasal oil. It's a little bit of just a herbal type of smell. Not unpleasant, kind of pleasant, but it's neutral really. That should help clear up your nostrils and get you high. A good way to get high if you don't want to smoke.